All right, let's talk about outliers in a data set. So, outliers are exactly how they sound. It means that they are unusually large or small data values. There's a data set that's given here with a bunch of different numbers from 1 ranging to 19. And let's just start by putting these on this number line down here at the bottom. And I can see that I have 2 of these ones. So I'm going to go ahead and put 2 dots, kind of making a line plot, scatter plot here. I have a 6, a single 6. I'm going to put a dot there at 6. And then I have a couple of 13s that I'm going to pop on here. A couple of 13s. 3 14s. 2 15s that I'll put dots for. 16 and 3 18s. 1, 2, 3, and then a 19. And once we look at this and see kind of how it's spread out here, I think it's much easier to see what your outliers are, what is unusually large, what is unusually small in this set of data. And so I can see here there is an outlier in this set of data. And I can tell that these ones down here are unusually small. So are there any outliers in this data set? Yes. We know that 1 is the outlier. So let's go ahead and just find the median of this set of data based on these numbers that are here. And I know that the median is the middle of this set. Since there are 15 numbers here, then I can go and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means this 8th number here is your median. So that leaves me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on this side. So our median, of course, is going to be 14. The mean for this data set, we're going to add those together. I'm just going to grab my calculator over here, give it a quick add, because we know for mean we have to find the sum. And 28 plus 14 plus 30. Kind of combining them to make it a little bit easier on my brain. It's 18 plus 19. Looks like the sum is 195. And then we would need to take 195 and divide it by the number of numbers. In this case, there are 15 numbers. So our mean of our data set, again, doing this on a calculator, would give me 13. Now, we know that there's outliers in this data set. The next question is if we remove the outliers, this is how it's going to impact our different parts, our different statistics, our different data. We're going to see if we remove these 2 ones here, the outliers, what is the new median? Well, instead of having 15 numbers, I'm down to 13 numbers. So that means that our median is going to be number 6. So let me go ahead and clear this off. And our median, if we get rid of these 2, is going to be the 6th number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, sorry, it would be the 7th number. So that we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this side. So if we remove the outliers, the new median is 15. And let's just figure out what our new mean would be. Originally, our problem was 195 divided by 15. Well, we've gotten rid of 2 of the numbers, so we know we're dividing now by 13. And instead of 195, we're now dealing with 193 because we removed 2 of them. So let me go to my calculator here. 193 divided by 13. It's going to give me 14.85 approximately. Approximately 14.85. So it did impact both, right? Because our mean in our original data set was 195 divided by 15. It was 13. So it was less than when we got rid of those ones. And then the median was 14, so that changed as well. So did removing the outliers impact the median? Yeah, it did. It changed it. What about the mean? Yes, it changed it. It made it greater because we got rid of these small numbers that are outliers. So outliers can affect the statistical data of a data set. And this is a great example of how that happens. It doesn't always impact your median. And it may not even always impact your mode or your range, but it's possible it will impact your mean.